to be kind.
Welcome back. We've got a short one for the Sunday afternoon. We're going to catch up on where we got up to with the XA grill. So it's not finished, but it's together, glued, and it's in for now. We've just got to go through, give it a wet rub, and clean up all the edges where the plastic was glued back together. Give it a light coat of filler and a couple of the seams where we glued it, and smooth it out, and then it's ready for plasti prime and some satin black. So we'll move this camera around to the other side and let you have a look and see what we've done. Well, there it is. That's our stock 73 XA Fairmont grill that's been cut up using a Rare Spares driving light kit to convert it to a GT/GS style grill with the ring inserts, driving lights, and brackets, all from Rare Spares. The reinforcing plates they didn't have, I got them from Mustang Auto Parts over at Mansfield, and it all fits and glues in really nice. It's nice and strong. The Worth Plastic-Weld or Metal Plast, whatever they call it, actually glues in really strong, sands and carves up really nice. So we've managed to retain all the Fairmont bright work around the outside of the grill and also through the center. So the goal is to keep all that Fairmont style trim there, and then it's either a toss up whether we paint it silver argent or satin black to then go with blackouts on the rest of the body. So I'm not 100% certain on that one yet, but that does give it a better look than the old single headlight one. Well, in my opinion, that's all it is. And something else we got done this weekend. Where are we? Mick at High Performance Fluid Connectors at Browns Plains made a new low pressure line for us, a little bit longer, and we went from a 90 to a 45 fitting on the end, and then we ran a 90-degree tail that winds on. So that brought the height of it down, so it's not sticking up in the air as high as it was. We managed to retain the original exit hole through the rad support, as well as the one for the high pressure pipe going through there around the driving lights and the driving light brackets, and with the straight barb on there, clears everything, clears the driving light brackets, and everything goes back into place. So all in all, fairly productive weekend. So now the next thing we've got is we bought some, what are they, 7-inch halogen conversions for the headlights, because the sealed beams that are in it are a bit dark and not really working that well. And we've got some LED inserts for the H4s to go in there. So that and some wiring to go along with it, and a fuse box that we're going to try and mount a fuse box and relay box up in the inner guard close to the battery somewhere for all the things like thermo fans, the trigger for the Astra power steer pump that we're going to hide in the inner guard up behind where the booster is, so we can convert it to power steer. And also for the headlights, we're probably going to go relays to the headlights as well to put full battery voltage down there. Other than that, we're just going to use the original loom to trigger it. So yeah, one step closer. All right, again, thanks for tuning in and watching. If you get time, like and subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you next time. Bye.